The common types of application software are the following: word processing, desktop publishing, electronic spreadsheets, database management, graphics software, project management software, CAD or CAM software, and multimedia software. Word processing allows the users to create, edit, erase, store, and print documents. Desktop publishing involves using the computer and mouse, scanner, and the printer for mixing text and graphics to produce high-quality printed output. Electronic spreadsheets allows users to create tables and financial schedules by entering data into rows and columns arranged as grid on a display screen. Database management software consists of programs for storing, cross-indexing, retrieving, and manipulating large amounts of data. Graphics software enables users to produce many types of graphic creations, which come into two forms: analytical graphics, which are basic graphical forms used to make numerical data easier to understand like charts. Presentation graphics are graphics used to communicate or make presentation of data to others, including artwork, animation, or multimedia presentation. Communication software includes programs that access software data and transmit data to a remote location. Project management software programs which are used to plan, schedule, and control the people, costs, and resources required to complete a project on time. CAD or CAM enables manufacturers to save much time and money because this allows product design to be inputted automatically into the system. Multimedia software is also called multimedia production tool or authorware. This enables user to combine not only text and graphics but also animation, video, music, voice, and sound as well.